Hi everyone, we're going to try and make 3 bird feeders, but we're going to try and make them quick, so I'm going to try and make them all in 3 minutes. One of the ideas I copied from Serin, so we're going to give that a try. So we've got milk carton, milk bottle, juice carton and a metal coat hanger, but we're not allowed to tell Chelsea that. So, first we're going to do the milk carton. So, you ready? See if we can do this in 3 minutes. So, I'm going to make a cut here, cut here, and here, here, here. Fold it open. That. Then I'm going to get a pen. I don't know how you spell squirrels. Close enough. So, 1. Next one. Upside down, pull the bottom out like this.
Like an orange juice, there you have the orange juice in there.
Then make a hole.
Like you just
Like that. Don't forget, you need to make sure it's big enough for the birds to be able to get out and still be able to get their food. Then what you can do is poke a stick through there and through there. String. Tie it on. Another string. Tie it on. Then you've got a bird feeder. Final one, coat hanger.
You're not allowed to tell Mummy that.
No, don't tell Mummy I've nicked our coat hangers. So you need to unravel the top, like that. Then what you're going to do is get your Cheerios and thread your Cheerios all on the coat hanger.
Can I do it?
Like this.
Can I carry it?
Yeah, hold on, let me just finish the video so everyone can see. Then tie it back together, like that. Then you've got a bird feeder that will hang with more Cheerios on than that, and you can bend it into different shapes, make different styles, whatever you want.